If there's one thing that I hate about tech is that tech is getting boring. And tech products are getting boring because phones are getting so good, earphones are getting so good. And that's why I really like Nothing. Nothing with the Nothing phone, they really stood out. It's just a very fun phone to use. And Nothing has just released the new Nothing Ear Stick. And they are by far one of the most fun earphones I've ever tried in my life. They sound amazing, they look amazing, they are fun. So they retail for $99 and they are a direct competitor to the AirPods 3. They are not in-ear earphones, like the ones with the silicone tips that really get in. Now, there's a lot of people that don't like in-ear earphones, and that's why Nothing has released these guys. The Nothing Ear Stick does not have noise cancellation, which is probably the weakest part about these earphones, but they are $99 once again, and they actually cancel the sound pretty well on how the design of them is actually made. Now, the comfort is something that surprised me a lot because when you put them on, they feel like they're just gonna fall out of your ear, but look at this. Like, they don't fall out whatsoever, which is really impressive. Like, you gotta try it on to see what I mean, but they're like so light, but they fit in so weirdly. Now, in terms of the design, the casing is awesome and so futuristic. It's kind of like this giant lipstick, which is really fun with this red and white color branding. You get USB-C and a pairing button up on the top, and you also get the Nothing branding on the back. And to open the case, you just simply like twist, and it's got like this really satisfying design. You know, with the AirPods that everybody's like opening and closing the case on how satisfying it is? I can see everybody just doing this because it's satisfying. Now, with the Nothing phone, you can customize them a lot via the control center. If you have an iPhone, you can simply download the Nothing app and you get a bunch of customizability as well. And you can also customize the playback control. So if you pinch, you can play a song and double tap and all of that. Which, by the way, yes, you pinch, you don't tap, which is something that I love about the AirPods Pro. You just simply tap, double tap to play, skip a song. It works really well. Now, you get 7 hours of playback, which is pretty good. Now, how's the sound quality? And I'm actually quite surprised with the sound quality. It's great for standard environments. The sound is great. The bass is actually surprisingly good. I mean, for the price of this thing, I mean, it's freaking amazing. Is the Nothing Ear Stick worth it? I mean, if this design doesn't bother you and you think it's fun, for $100, I'd say yeah. If noise cancellation isn't a big deal, if you don't live in a city and there's like not a lot of construction work around you, yeah. Technology is fun, it should be fun, and every single brand should learn from Nothing. Because yes, tech is getting boring and we need more brands like Nothing.